Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and change Comcast email password. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first access your browser on your phone and go to search bar and type in xfinity.com/password and search it up. And then here in this section you can find this reset your password option, right? Go ahead, enter your email, mobile or username that you created your ID with. Now tap on continue afterwards, and then it will simply show you this verification. Then afterwards, simply complete the secure check by typing the moving letters in the box and tap on continue again. And then it will give you 4 options, including email me, text me, call me, and answer my secret questions for you to reset your password. Whatever method you like, go ahead, choose. Better to choose email me or text me, and tap on this continue afterward. And then if you have tapped on resetting by email, you will see a screen confirming that a password reset link has been sent to your inbox. Go ahead, open your email and simply copy the code and come over here and paste it, then tap on this continue. And then afterwards you're gonna go ahead, and once you have done verifying, then it will let you enter your new password for your account. Enter that particular new password, re-enter it and confirm it, and that way you will be able to change your password for your Comcast email like that. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.